Our viewer question today is about magnesium, and they ask, what do you think about magnesium as a supplement?
Oh, magnesium, one of my favorite minerals, and one that all of us should lust after. The reason why it's so important, I think the magnesium ions are involved in like 300 different enzymatic reactions. The enzymes need an atom of magnesium, but it can be a tough mineral to get solely out of food, and it's a hard mineral to hold on in the body. It runs right out through the urine. And so there's this constant flow of magnesium in our body, in our food, and out through the urine there. And meanwhile, it's got to do all these important things inside our body here. So we definitely want to consume magnesium-containing foods. And those are largely dark green leafy vegetables. So that's another reason to have a big helping of kale or chard, Brussels sprout, asparagus, broccoli. Now you guys know the dark greens by this time. And nuts and seeds also have magnesium, and so does chocolate, dark chocolate. So do a search on magnesium-containing foods. You'll get a list on your computer and pick out the ones that you like, and make sure they are a regular visitor to your lunch or dinner plate. That said, I certainly have no problem with taking magnesium as part of a supplement. And we're talking anywhere between 250 to 500 milligrams a day. And if you just want to take one, I think that's fine. It's often included with various other supplements, and that's fine with me. I don't know of any adverse effect, but it can have a laxative effect, especially magnesium citrate. So be prepared for that. There's magnesium sulfate, magnesium citrate, magnesium gluconate. There's lots of different anions stuck onto magnesium. If you buy magnesium citrate, get ready that it may have a bit of a laxative action. But other than that, I'm a big fan of magnesium in general. Get it through your food. But if you're having muscle cramps or just feeling generally fatigue or muscle spasms, especially at nighttime, a good time to take a magnesium supplement about an hour or two before you go to bed, so it's in your bloodstream while you're sleeping, and that would be a good use of the magnesium supplement. Hi everyone, Dr. Michael Klaper here, announcing our new format for our Q&A with Dr. K. Each day, Annie Hagen will be asking me one question that's been sent in by our viewers. So if you want to see if your question is getting answered, do join us for our daily Q&A with Dr. K right here. Hope to see you then.